Mysteries of the Ocean's Drifters, the story of jellyfish. Exploring the enigmatic lives and roles of jellyfish in our oceans.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a mesmerizing journey through the fascinating world of jellyfish. This book delves into the timeless presence of jellyfish in oceans, unraveling their ancient tales of survival, adaptability, and ecological significance. From their unique physical traits to their vital roles in the marine ecosystem and cultural symbolism, discover the wisdom these elusive creatures silently offer. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Ancient Drifters, the timeless journey of jellyfish.
Across the endless blue expanse of Earth's oceans, jellyfish have floated for over 500 million years. Possessing no brain, heart, or bones, these ethereal creatures speak the silent language of survival, embedded deep within their gelatinous bodies. Emerging long before dinosaurs walked the earth, jellyfish ride ocean currents like celestial nomads, graceful and captivating. Their story tells of adaptability and resilience in an ever-changing world, transcending time itself. As phantoms of the sea, they continue to drift, their presence a reminder of life's deep-rooted history.
Watch as the ancient journey of jellyfish unfolds, spanning epochs with grace and a quiet power. These enigmatic creatures, with their simple structures, defy complex ecological changes, embodying survival. Jellyfish drift gracefully, embodying time's passage and nature's wisdom. In their silence, they recount tales of Earth's primordial beauty and resilience.
Ocean nomads, jellyfish habitat exploration.
From the icy depths to sunlit coasts, jellyfish inhabit oceans worldwide. Their translucent bodies illuminate the dark recesses of the deep and dance vibrantly in warmly lit lagoons. In places like certain freshwater lakes and coastal waters, their rhythm influences the marine symphony. Adapting effortlessly, jellyfish navigate both cold and warm waters, embodying the spirit of global wanderers. Their presence echoes the health of marine ecosystems, offering clues to oceanic changes and currents, always moving, roaming, adapting in harmony with the water's whispers.
Dive into the mesmerizing world of jellyfish and explore their vast, borderless habitat that stretches from deep ocean realms to shimmering coastal waters. As jellyfish drift across the endless ocean, they embrace every watery path, flowing with the world itself.
Glimmering translucence, the physical wonders of jellyfish.
Jellyfish, with their elegant, umbrella-shaped forms, captivate eyes and imaginations alike. Sizes vary dramatically, from tiny luminescent discs to vast gelatinous creatures spanning over 2 meters in diameter. Their bodies, often shimmering and translucent, encase a silent glow, a natural luminescence like breathing stars beneath the ocean surface. Rolling waves cast splashes of color on their delicate surfaces, painting with the sun's descent and rise. How magical, how ephemeral, these creatures seem, an enchanting interplay of light and transparent beauty.
Behold the jellyfish, a creature of ethereal beauty, luminescent and mysterious, it mirrors the ocean's kaleidoscope of colors and light. Like living rainbows, jellyfish reflect light and life itself, embodying nature's elegance with every pulsating movement.
The Feast of Tentacles, Exploring jellyfish diet.
With swirling, trailing tentacles equipped with stinging cells, jellyfish hunt amidst ocean currents. They ensnare plankton, small fish, and marine delights, wielding their tentacles like ethereal fishermen's nets. Their dance, an elegant slow-motion chase, tells of life's cycles in oceanic depths. As each bald, stinging embrace captures a feast, jellyfish become the ocean's master chefs, blending primal instinct with silent patience. Echoing echoes of life's aquatic feast, jellyfish remind that even in their simplicity lies life's vitality and the ceaseless oceanic meal.
Witness the poetic dance of the jellyfish as they glide through the water, tentacles poised to capture the ocean's offerings. Weaving through blue currents, jellyfish harvest the ocean's abundance, their feasts an echo of survival.
Solitary drifters, the unique behavior of jellyfish.
Solitude graces the life of the jellyfish, each one a solo voyager in the vast, boundless ocean. Occasionally gathering in grandiose blooms, these creatures spend most of their days adrift in serene loneliness. Often rising to the surface at night to feed, as the sun gives way to moonlit waters, they seek deep solace when daylight returns. This vertical migration, a quiet ballet, captures the rhythm of existence itself, resonating with the currents that guide them, marking time with each blissful drift and tender undulation.
Experience the quiet companionship of jellyfish, solitary wanderers on endless voyages across the ocean's expanse, dancing to the heartbeat of the tides. In their solitary drifts, jellyfish compose sonnets of the sea, blending serenity with the silent march of time.
Cycle of renewal, the intricate reproduction of jellyfish.
In the ocean's embrace, jellyfish craft their legacy through both sexual and asexual means, weaving complex life cycles that mirror the ever-turning tide. Eggs and sperm released into the vast sea merge to create new beginnings. The resulting larvae, sinking to the ocean bed, become rooted polyps, steadfast yet restless. When the time is ripe, these polyps give life to new medusae, setting them adrift into the ocean's currents. This cycle of renewal, echoing rhythm, and change, unfolds in the quiet depths where life refines its eternal dance.
Observe the wondrous life cycle of jellyfish, a dance of intricate renewal woven seamlessly with the ocean's eternal tapestry. Amidst the ocean's whispers, jellyfish spin their fragile threads of life, renewing nature's promise with every tidal breath.
Ocean's sentinels, the ecological role of jellyfish.
Though ethereal and delicate, jellyfish wield profound power in the oceanic web of life. Predators and prey, they regulate plankton populations, influencing marine food chains deeply. Their gelatinous forms serve as sustenance for turtles, fish, and seabirds alike. Jellyfish blooms, like punctuation in the ocean narrative, signal shifts in water conditions and climate changes. Guardians of Earth's aquatic rhythm, they provide the ocean a pulse, their presence a testament to environmental shifts rippling through the watery vast.
Jellyfish act as both hunter and hunted, dancing a crucial role in the ocean's ecology, safeguarding balance with each sweeping move. Embodying both balance and beauty, jellyfish guard the ocean's pulse, reminding the world of its subtle shifts.
Liquid art, the cultural significance of jellyfish.
Beyond the scientific realm, jellyfish have flowed through the veins of myth, art, and imagination. In ancient tales and modern artistry, they're symbols of fluidity, transformation, and tenacity, eternally adapting like the ocean itself. Whether gracing screens, movies, or inspiring artists to recreate their delicate forms in glass or canvas, jellyfish propel the human spirit toward boundless creativity. Their enduring allure hints at adaptability, mirroring our journey through time's tides, resonating within the stories and symbols humans have crafted over centuries.
Discover the jellyfish's role as muse and metaphor, a luminescent symbol coursing through art and narratives across cultures. Adorning the human canvas, jellyfish inspire art and transformation, nature's muse in watery whispers.